Today, we'll show you clever balloon hacks that will save you time, money, and solve everyday problems. From practical household solutions to fun projects, these simple rubber wonders can make your life easier in ways you never imagined. Without further ado, let's get started. Cut a balloon into strips to make elastic bands. These bands are convenient for tying up long wires. Now the wires are neatly gathered and stored conveniently without tangling. Cut off the bottom of a paper cup. Take a balloon, tie its base into a knot and cut off the tip on the opposite side. Stretch the balloon over the cup, you've made a toy cannon. A fun game for kids, you can organize competitions by shooting balls from these cannons. Stretch a balloon over the tap. Fill it with water and tie the balloon so the water doesn't leak out, then place it in the freezer. When the water freezes, take the ice balloons and place them in a cooler bag to keep food and drinks cool and fresh. Make a small hole in a plastic bottle and in the center of the plastic cap. Take a small piece of balloon and glue it to the cap. Screw the cap onto the bottle and stretch a whole balloon over the top of the cap. Now you can easily and quickly inflate balloons by simply pressing the bottle. If you spend a long time finding the right key for a lock, match balloons to the colors of your locks and cut off their tips. Stretch the cut balloon tip over the corresponding key so the key color matches the lock color. Now you can easily find the right key for each lock by color, without wasting time trying different ones. Take a syringe and remove the plunger. Use a utility knife to cut off the top part of the syringe. Stretch a balloon over the cut part of the syringe. Pour hot glue inside the syringe and tie the balloon in a knot. Place this balloon with glue over the drain hole in the sink or bathtub, shaping it as needed. Wait until the hot glue completely dries inside the balloon. Now you have a homemade drain plug that fits perfectly. Don't have a properly sized lid for your jar? Take an inflated balloon and place it over the jar opening. Slowly release air from the balloon, allowing it to stretch and tightly wrap around the jar opening. As a result, you'll have a tight universal lid for your jar. Cut off the top thickened part of a balloon. You will get a convenient hair tie that can be used as a temporary alternative. Inflate the balloon to the desired size. Wrap the balloon neck around a clothes hanger several times to create tension and then tie it in a knot. This method significantly simplifies and speeds up the tying process, especially if you need to prepare many balloons. Detach the inflation bulb from the blood pressure monitor tube. Put a balloon on the bulb nozzle and secure it. Inflate balloons by squeezing the bulb, quite a convenient solution. Pull back the tail of the inflated balloon. Place your index and middle fingers under the balloon tip. Wrap the tail around your fingers, forming a loop. Thread the balloon end through the resulting loop. Tighten the knot and you're done, quick and simple. Make a lengthwise cut in a plastic pipe. Insert a CD into the pipe slot. Place the construction against an inflated balloon and press firmly. Release the air so the balloon wraps around the disc and tie the balloon end to the tube. Your homemade ping pong paddle is ready. Take aluminum foil and wrap the gift box with foil on all sides. If you don't have gift ribbon handy, use a deflated long balloon or a strip from it instead. Tie a bow and get an unusual wrapping. Stretch a balloon over a toothbrush to make a convenient protective cover, simple and hygienic, perfect for travel. Lost a marker cap? No problem. Stretch a balloon over the marker and now your marker definitely won't dry out. Make multiple holes in a plastic cap. Cut a balloon in half. Cut off the neck from a plastic bottle. Stretch the balloon part with the neck over the bottle cut and screw on the cap with holes. Put the construction on the tap. Turn on the water, you've made a homemade shower watering can. Remove the plunger from a syringe. Cut out a small piece from a balloon. Stretch the balloon piece over the top of the syringe and secure it with tape. Blow into the syringe, you've made a fun whistle. To festively decorate glasses, try tying small balloons on the stems of glasses. This way the balloons look like little bows, very cute. Does your painting water cup keep tipping over? Cut off the bottom part of a balloon with the tail. Stretch the balloon over the water cup and cut off the balloon tail, creating a small hole. Now you can dip the brush through the hole. Even if the cup tips over, the water won't spill. Want your balloon to bounce like a real ball? Inflate the balloon as tightly as possible and apply tape to the balloon as shown in the video. Done, the balloon will bounce like a real ball. Place a balloon in a plastic bottle and secure the balloon to the neck. Make a hole in the bottom of the bottle. Pour water into the balloon. Place a flower inside and get an original vase. Take matches and a striker and place them in a deflated balloon. Tie the balloon in tightly. Now the matches are protected from moisture during hiking. Does your hand get tired during long computer mouse use? There's a simple solution. Take a balloon and fill it with water. Place the resulting water cushion under your wrist while working with the computer mouse. Place a CD against an inflated balloon. Slowly release the air while pressing the disc. Wait until the balloon tightly wraps around the disc. Write the disc contents with a marker. A simple CD protective case is ready. No eraser? A balloon works great as a substitute. Done, pencil marks are gone. Can't open a jar? Use a balloon. Twist the lid through the balloon. The jar will open easily thanks to good grip. Knife handle slipping? There's a simple solution. Stretch a balloon over the knife handle. Done, the knife won't slip from your hands anymore. Cut off the top part of a plastic bottle. Cut off the balloon tail and stretch the top part of the balloon over the bottle cut. A convenient organizer for screws, nails, and other small items is ready. Pour soap solution on the table. Blow a soap bubble on the surface. Rub a balloon against wool fabric or your pet's fur and bring the balloon close to the bubble. Watch how the bubble follows the balloon, a fun physics experiment that your kids will definitely enjoy. Take a Kinder Surprise container. Make holes in the lid for toothpicks. Glue a battery or button as an eye. Put on part of a balloon as pants. Draw a smile with a red marker. A fun Minion toothpick holder is ready. Let's do an interesting experiment with air. Pour hot water into one bowl, cold water into another. For clarity, we colored the water with food dyes. Put a balloon over the neck of an empty bottle. Lower the bottle into hot water, the balloon inflates. Move it to cold water, the balloon deflates. A clear example of air expansion and compression. Heat a glass bottle with hot water from the inside. Pour the water out of the bottle. Place a deflated balloon inside the hot bottle and secure the balloon edge to the neck. Put the bottle in a container with cold water and wait until the balloon expands inside. Pour water into the balloon and insert a flower. An unusual vase is ready. Does your glass slip on the table and you're afraid of spilling water on your laptop? There's a solution. Cut a piece from a balloon and stretch it over the bottom of the glass. Now the glass won't slip on the table, your equipment is safe. Remove the top of a tin can using sandpaper. Cut off the balloon tail. Stretch the balloon over the can opening and secure it with tape. Make a hole in the center of the can bottom. Insert a straw into the central hole, secure with hot glue. Make a side hole in the can. Connect the can and an empty spray bottle with a silicone tube. Secure the connections with hot glue. Press the sprayer, you'll get a funny horn. Let's do an experiment with cola and Mentos. Glue several Mentos candies together. Place the Mentos in a balloon. Stretch the balloon over a bottle of cola. Lift the balloon so the Mentos falls into the cola. Watch how gas bubbles inflate the balloon. The balloon increases from the released carbon dioxide. Cut off the top part of a plastic bottle. Remove the plastic ring from the neck. Cut off the tail from a balloon. Stretch the balloon over the bottle cut and secure it with the sealing ring. Place peas or other small objects inside. Pull back the balloon and shoot at targets. A homemade slingshot is ready. Tired of spilling water while pouring? There's a solution. Cut a balloon in half and stretch the part with the tail over the glass. Use the balloon tail as a spout for precise pouring. Cut your finger and don't have a bandage? Use a balloon. Cut off the tail from a balloon. Apply cotton to the wound. Stretch the elastic over the cotton on your finger. A temporary bandage substitute is ready. Let's make a stress ball toy by hand. Squeeze toothpaste into a balloon. Add a bit of Coca-Cola. Tie the balloon with a tight knot. Knead and squeeze. A calming toy is ready. Cut off the part of a balloon without the tail. Stretch the balloon with the tail over a toilet paper roll, secure with tape. Pour confetti into the roll. Pull the tail, a festive popper is ready. Shoot confetti and create a festive mood.